Big dog status, Bill Hubble. A ball in his mouth for my brothers. Go your bag, told the.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy 36J, and we back with another fire video. And today's video is gonna be a little vlog. We're gonna chat it up. We're gonna talk about a few things. I'm gonna take y'all with me while I wash my car because she is dirty. Take a look, y'all. Like, it's pretty bright outside, but like, it's just dirty. I got fucking bird doodle everywhere. Like, it's just. Forced carbon don't look bad, but I got all this stuff, all these bugs, all this air. Like, the bird's been violating, bro. Like, it looks bad. I've been lacking. I just been busy. Work, life. I don't know how it is, but y'all know the vibes. It is not a video without the start. A little warm start. Something that I noticed again, we are at 850 subscribers. That is 150 subscribers away from 1,000. I am so happy. I'm so thankful for all y'all love and support. We are on the road to 1,000. So by March 15th, let's see if we can get to 1,000 subscribers, man. I know we can do it. I know we can do it. I just need y'all to fucking hit that subscribe button, man. I need y'all to subscribe, because I see a lot of y'all are watching, but you're not subscribed. So, this is what I want y'all to do. I want you to go subscribe, put on the post notifications, because I'm dropping just bangers all year, all season, and leave in the comments done. Leave in the comments done, and then I'm also gonna start doing a positive comment shout out. So leave a positive comment in the comment section, and I'm gonna like it, I'm gonna heart it, and then I'll shout you out the video. And also make sure that y'all also going over to my Instagram and show love. And just like my YouTube 3.6J. I'm almost at 5K on there, so we're just growing, man. Like, the growth is amazing, and I appreciate it so much. Let me give y'all a little pull real quick. Yo, so tell me why I pull up to the gas station, but the car wash, and I left my towels, my tire shine, the wax, all that. So I gotta go back to the crib, grab that real quick. All right, so we just got my towels and all that, so we're gonna head back to the car wash so we can wash this damn car because it is dirty. All right, so we're back at the car wash. Back. All right, we're back. See, I got all this just nastiness. I don't know what happened in the span of like a week. I don't know what's going on. My car has been sitting outside, but I don't know. But we gonna get this nice and clean. We gonna chat it up. All right, y'all. Got the 6 baddie all washed up. Like, it's crazy. I really had bird doodle all over my car. Like, it was ridiculous. Give y'all this little bonus start. Sir. Alright, I'm gonna dry the car off, make it look pretty, and I'll pick up the camera. camera. All right, y'all, just got the car all nice and cleaned up. She looking bad, man. I'm gonna get y'all some close-up shots. Alright, y'all, so that's probably gonna be it for today's video. Give you one more pull. Woo. Sound evil. Bro, I wish I could put it on the windows, cause I don't know. I be seeing in my comments like on YouTube and Instagram, everybody be talking shit like, oh, it sounds like this, sounds like that. I don't care. This Burble tune is like definitely one of my favorite things about my car. Like, even with the windows up, it's screaming. Watch the downshifts. That's just beautiful. Alright, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Just a small little vlog, just getting the car washed because there was dirt, bird doo-doo everywhere. But we are on the road to 900 subscribers. Let's get to 1,000 by the middle of March. Peace out, y'all.